Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class. In today's class we are going to discuss few questions related to the CDS examinations, and the questions have been asked previously in the different year examinations. Okay, so in this class we will discuss those questions. The shortest direct hand solution of those questions I'm going to provide you. Okay, but I just wanted to tell you something for this class, that in this class I don't have any kind of PDF or PPT form of the questions. So I will directly write the questions over here on the board, and you just have to listen me carefully, and you just have to see that how short or direct hand solution you are getting of these questions through these videos. Okay, so here is a question which have been asked. Here is a question which have been asked in 2025 second CDS examination. Okay, and the question says that consider the following in respect of positive real number x. So here it is mentioned that x is positive real number. So if it is positive real number, then it is greater than 0. Okay, so three statements are provided over here, and we just have to tell that which of the following statement is correct or which is not correct. So first statement says that this is the question number 1, and the first statement says that x plus 1 by x greater than 1. This is the first statement. And second statement says that x plus 1 by x whole square greater than 2. And the third statement says that x plus 1 by x whole to the power 4 greater than 9. So these are the three statements, and we just have to tell which of the following statement out of these three is correct. Okay, and there are the possibilities that more than one statements may be correct also over here. Okay, so first statement is saying that x plus 1 by x greater than 1. Always remember that if you are just taking two reciprocals, x is a function over here and 1 by x is the reciprocal of x. So if you are talking about the functions which are reciprocal to each other, so always remember sum of two reciprocals will always be greater than or equal to 2. Will always be greater than or equal to 2. It means sum of reciprocal of two functions will be equal to 2 or maybe greater than 2. So here mention that x plus 1 by x greater than 1. Okay, so first statement is correct. Understand that. Now suppose we are taking only x plus 1 by x equal to 2. X plus 1 by x equal to 2. This is the condition, and it is when x plus 1 by x equal to 2. If we are saying this, x plus 1 by x equal to 2. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, and in the second option we are going to put the value of here. So x plus 1 by x whole square will be equal to 2 square means 4. So second option is mentioning that x plus 1 by x whole square greater than 2. So it will always be greater than 2. Understand that. So second statement is also correct. And third statement says that x plus 1 by x whole to the power 4 greater than 9. As we know that minimum value, the least value of x plus 1 by x can be 2. So if we are talking about x plus 1 by x whole to the power 4, so it will be 2 to the power 4 and it is 16. And here you can see that x plus 1 by x whole to the power 4 greater than 9. So in this particular question we can say that all these three statements are completely correct. Okay, so this was the question from 2025 second CDS question paper. Okay, now we are going to talk about the second question of that paper. And in the second question it is mentioned that it is said that I'm just going to talk to you about second question, solution of the second question. It is said that x plus 1 within bracket x plus p within bracket again x square plus p square is equal to x to the power 4 minus 1. X to the power 4 minus 1. This is the question, and we have to find the value of p. We have to find out the value of p. What will be the value of p? We just have to tell. And the options are over here. The options are, first option is minus 1. Second option is 0. Third option is plus 1, and the fourth option is D option is C and D cannot be determined. These are the four options of this particular question, and I'm gonna to provide you very direct and shorthand solution over here. Dear students, you have studied about the formula a square minus b square in algebra, and you very well know that a square minus b square will be equal to a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b within bracket a minus b. So this is a kind of thing over here, understand that. Now if I'm gonna to apply this formula on this particular, so I can say that I'm just providing you the solution of this question over here. I can say that x plus 1 within bracket x plus p, again within bracket x square plus p square will be equal to I can write it like x square whole square minus 1 square. So I can say it will be equal to x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. We can say that. Okay, now we are gonna to do one more thing. We can say that again we are applying a square minus b square on x square minus 1. So I can say that x plus 1 within bracket x plus p within bracket x square plus p square can be equal to x square plus 1 again x plus 1 into x minus 1. If we are going to compare these things and simplify this equation, I can say that x plus 1 both cancelled. Now here is x plus 1, here is x square plus p square, and if I'm going to compare, I'm going to compare the linear term with the linear. So this is the linear term because here the power is 1 and this is the linear term also. So I can say that x plus p equal to x minus 1. So x is cancelled and I can say p equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of this question, and this question is also from CDS 2025 second examination. Okay, so in this video I'm just providing you the questions of the providing you the solutions of the questions, just writing on the board. From the next video onwards I will give you the PDF of the questions. Okay, and I'm gonna to provide you the solution of last 10 years questions of the CDS. Okay, the questions which have been asked in last 10-year examinations through the CDS examination. Okay, so this was a question. Okay, now we have the third question, and that is also very interesting kind of question over here, and we will discuss that question. Okay, the question says that if this is the question number 3, and it says that if 2 plus root 3 whole to the power x, 2 plus root 3 whole to the power x plus 2 minus root 3 whole to the power x is equal to 2, then we have to find 2 plus root 3 whole to the power x minus 2 minus root 3 whole to the power x. We have to simplify this, and the options are over here 0, first option is 0, second option is 0.5, and the third option is 1, and the fourth option is 1.5. These are the four options over here. So we can do this question, and this is very interesting kind of questions. Listen to me first. The term 2 plus root 3 here written, and here is 2 minus root 3. You know, these both values are reciprocal to each other. These both values are reciprocal to each other. If these two values are reciprocal to each other, then I can say I'm letting it let 2 plus root 3 whole to the power x is equal to y, and these both terms are reciprocal to each other. So I can say this is y and this is 1 plus y. I can say equal to 2. Now I'm saying that reciprocal sum of these reciprocals is equal to 2. Here there are two terms, one is y, another is 1 upon y. So I can say sum of reciprocals is equal to 2, and we have discussed in just previous question that if the sum of two reciprocals is equal to 2, then minimum value, okay, this is the minimum value of their sum, it means y will be equal to 1. You just have to think that which real value can produce result equal to 2. So I'm placing 1 here and 1 here, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2, so y equal to 1. So I'm saying that each of the term is equal to 2. Now I can say that 2 plus root 3 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Now this is the base and this is the power, and this complete value is equal to 1. So now can you tell me when the number is written in index form, okay, in exponential form, and it is producing the result equal to 1. Okay, when is it possible? Actually it is possible when power is 0. You have studied that if power is 0, okay, any real number is having power 0, okay, then the result will be equal to 1. Result will be equal to 1 except 0 to the power 0. Okay, so I can say that x is equal to 0 over here. X is equal to 0 over here, because here 0, so 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 0 is equal to 1, because it is the rule of surds and indices, a to the power will be equal to 0. This is the rule over here. We applied the rule over here. So now when we are using this power here at place x, it is 0, again 0. So 2 plus root 3 power 0, it is 1, minus 1, so answer will be 0. Answer will be equal to 0. Understand that? So a simple rule from the surds and indices have been applied over here. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. Okay, this is the third question of from the today's video, and now we will discuss the next question. And the question says that this is the question number 4. We are just going to discuss about question number 4. In question number 4 it is said that if 1 plus a plus 1 plus b is equal to 5 upon 6 and 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square is equal to 13 upon 36. We just have to find out 1 upon a cube plus 1 upon b cube. Okay, we have to calculate the value of this one. Understand that? And the options are I can say that the first option is 31 upon 216. Second option is 35 upon 216. Third option is 37 upon 216. And the fourth option is 41 upon 216. These are the 4 options. Okay. If you know the formula a cube plus b cube, x cube plus y cube. Okay, x cube plus y cube, what is it? This is algebraic identity, and it can be expanded as x plus y within bracket x square plus y square minus xy. Then you can easily simplify this question. Okay, so we are gonna to do this. Okay, and we can write it like this is x cube, this is y cube, so it can be written as 1 by a plus 1 by b. Now within bracket 1 by a square plus 1 by b square minus 1 upon ab. So we know the value 1 by a plus 1 by b. We know the value of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So we just have to calculate the value 1 upon ab. Now you know very well that 1 by a plus 1 by b whole square will be equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 2 upon ab. So we can calculate the value of this one. 1 by a plus 1 by b can be placed as 5 by 6, so it will become 25 upon 36 minus 13 upon 36. It is 2 by ab. Yes or no? 25 minus 13, it will become 12 by 36. Okay, 12 upon 36 is equal to 2 by ab. This is cancelled 3 times, so 1 by ab equal to 1 upon 6, and we can place the values over here. So we place the values over here, and now it can be written as 5 upon 6 within bracket 13 upon 36 minus 1 upon 6. If we are going to simplify this, it is 5 upon 6, and here the LCM is 36, so it is 13 minus 6. So it is 5 into 7 upon 6 into 36. So this is 35 upon 216. So answer is 35 upon 216. This was a question from CDS 2025 question paper. Okay. Now we are going to discuss question number 5. Okay. We will discuss the question number 5 from that question paper. Okay. And the question number 5 says that x plus 6 sorry, x to the power 6 is divided by x to the power 6 is divided by x square plus 1. Find remainder. Find remainder. We have to calculate the remainder, and the options are first option is -1, second option is 0, third option is +1, fourth option is x plus 1. Fourth option is x plus 1. So you have studied in your academics while discussing the polynomials. In that particular topic, you have been taught that if we are dividing a polynomial with another one, then what we have to do? Here it is dividend and this is the divisor. So to divide the question quickly, what we have to do? We are just gonna to put divisor equal to 0. So x square plus 1 equal to 0. So x square will be equal to -1. Okay, x square will be equal to -1. Now we have to place the value of x square over here, and we have to divide x to the power 6. So I can say x to the power 6 can be written as x square whole cube, and the value of x square is -1. So -1 cube equal to -1. So this is the answer. Answer is -1. Okay, this was also a question from series 2025. Okay, so I will provide you the solution of last 10-year questions. Okay, and we will discuss all those questions. Okay, now there is one more question. It is said that this is the question number 6. It is said that log 10 base 2 equal to 0.301. log 3 equal to 0.477. Okay, then find number of digits. Then find number of digits in 60 to the power 60. This is the question. Okay, we have the options over here, and the options are: first option is 105, second option is 106, third option is 107, and the fourth option is 108. Okay, these are the options. Listen to me. When any number is written in exponential form, here we have to calculate total number of digits in 60 to the power 60. Okay, so if you are going to calculate number of digits in any exponential form, so rule says that number of digits equal to integer part of log n plus 1. This is the formula. Integer part of log n and plus 1. Now we have to calculate number of digits in 60 to the power 60. Okay, so we can write it y equal to 60 to the power 60. We can write it like, now taking log of both sides. So I can say that log y equal to 60 log 60. Now this 60 can be written as, this is log y as it is. Okay, and this can be written as 60 into log 2 multiply 3 multiply 10. It can be written as, okay, now it can be written as, now I can say that you have studied a rule like log m into m. It will be log m plus log n. It can be written as like this. Okay, you can write it. Okay, now I can say that it will be 60 multiply within bracket log 2 plus log 3 plus log 10. Okay, you already know that value of log 2 is given, and that is 0.301. value of log 3 is given 0.477, and value of log 10 is 1. Okay, so if we are gonna to add all these, so it will become 60 multiply 1 point, this is 8, this is 7, again 7. Okay, if you are going to multiply with this, it will become 106 point something. Okay, so integer part is 106, and we have to calculate total number of digits. and we have written the concept over here. Total number of digits are integer part of log, so integer part is 106 and plus 1. So number of digits will be 106 plus 1. So answer is 107. This will be the answer. Understand that? And this was very interesting question from CDS 2025 question paper. Okay. Now we are gonna to discuss one more next question, and this is also quite interesting question. Okay. The question says that, okay, hope you are understanding the solution. Okay, I'm just trying to provide you the solution. Now I'm not taking all the questions in a chronological order. Okay, I'm just picking them, those questions which are smaller, means shorter. Okay, but when we will have the PPT of the questions, we will discuss them in chronological order. Okay, so don't worry about that. So next question says that, if 17 power 25 plus 17 power 25 plus 19 power 25 is divided by 18, what will be the remainder? This is one more question. What will be the remainder? We have to simplify this question. Okay, so how could we simplify this question? This is quite easy. What we have to do, just there are two different kind of bases. One is 17, another is 19, and symbol between them is plus. Okay, so we just have to divide the bases. If we are going to divide 17 by 18, we will get the negative remainder minus 1, and the power is 25. Again, when we will divide 19 with 18, we will get the remainder 1. It is positive 1, and the power again 25. You very well know that here the value is negative and the power is odd. It will become minus 1, and this is plus 1. So answer is 0. Remainder will be 0. Okay, so in this particular question, remainder is gonna to be equal to 0. The remainder is 0. Okay, now I'm gonna to discuss next one more question, and the options of these questions were, I'm gonna to write options over here. The options were 1, 3, 9, 0. So this is the answer over here. Understand that? Now I have one more question to discuss with you. Next question says that we have to calculate HCF of, there are two functions, x cube plus y cube minus 3xy minus 1, and another is x to the power 4, x plus y whole to the power 4 minus 1. Find HCF. We have to find the HCF, and the options are first option is x plus y, second option is x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus 1, third option is x plus y minus 1, x plus y minus 1, and the fourth option is 1. These are the four options, and we just have to calculate the HCF of this. Okay, so you know what is the HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. So we have to factorize both the given functions over here. So you have studied about a formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, okay, minus 3abc. It is equal to a plus b plus c, then within bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, this is the formula. So in the first derivation, you have to apply that formula. Okay, so what is a cube over here? This is a cube, this is b cube, and this is c cube. So firstly, we are expanding this, so it can be written as a plus b plus c. Okay, then next bracket a square plus b square plus c square. So it is x square plus y square minus 1 square. It is okay. Then ab. So minus xy, then bc, okay, then bc. So it is y into 1 means y, okay, then ac, okay, ac, a into c, a into c, so it will become x. These are the factorization of this first polynomial. And the second is, as it can be written x to the power 4 minus 1, this is what the second function, okay, so it can be written as x plus y square whole square minus 1. Now we can write it like x plus y whole square minus 1, and again x plus y whole square plus 1, by applying the formula a square minus b square. Okay, now this first portion can be written as x plus y minus 1 into x plus y plus 1, again applying the formula a square minus b square, because it can be written as 1 square. Here also you can write it 1 square. Okay, and the same as it is, same can be written x plus y whole square within bracket plus 1. Okay, so can you see what is the common? You can see x plus y minus 1 is common in both. So this is the HCF. X plus y minus 1 is the HCF. So it was a question, okay, and very interesting question. Understand that? Now I'm gonna to tell you one more question. We will do the 10 questions today. In next video we will discuss more than 10 questions. Okay, I will try to provide you the solutions of all the questions from the serious examination, don't worry. Okay, in 3 to 4 videos we will cover one paper, so that you can watch the entire video and the solutions of all the questions, because if the video is lengthy, most of the students are not going to participate interestingly just to complete the videos. Okay, so I'm just recording and uploading the videos with 10 or 15 questions. Okay, and you just have to remain consistent to get the solutions of all kind of questions. In the next question number next, it is said that x equal to n plus 1 n plus 2. It is said that, and one more thing is mentioned over here, n is an even natural number. N even natural number. Even natural number. N is even natural number. So we have to tell that which of the following statements are correct. Which of the following statements are correct? First statement says that x is always divisible by 48. X is always divisible by 48. Second says that x square is always divisible by 144. 144. These are the two options, and we have to provide the solutions of these two options. Now this is very important line over here. It is said that n is any even natural number. So which is the smallest even number which is natural? That is obviously 2. So we are just placing n equal to 2. If we are gonna to place n equal to 2, what will be the value of x? 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 2 4. 4 3s are 12 into 2. It is 24. Now can you tell me x is always divisible by 48? Can you divide 24 by 48? Obviously not. So answer first statement is not correct for us. So it cannot be included in that section that first statement is correct. So first is not correct. Now in the second statement it is said that x square is always divisible by 144. So we are going to calculate square of x. X is 24, so x square equal to 576. So it is obviously divisible by 144. Okay, so we can say only statement 2 is correct. Only statement 2 is correct. 1 is not correct. Understand that? Okay, so I'm looking for one more question, and after that we will discuss the things in the next video. There is one more very interesting kind of question, and the question says that xyz is a 3-digit number. XYZ is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Okay, and He's saying that x, y, z minus z, y, x equal to d. So what does it mean? XYZ is a 3-digit number, so Z is unit place digit, Y is tens place digit, X is 100 place digit. Now there is another number ZYX. So what has been done over here? Just the number, just the sequence of the digits is reversed. Okay, Z is used at 100 place, Y is as it is, and X is ones place. So number sequence of the digits is just reversed. So he's saying that if difference of these two numbers is equal to d, then he is asking d, what will be remainder, what is remainder, what is remainder if d is divided by 99, d is divided by 99. He is asking us. Okay, so options are first is 0, second is 1, third is 7, and the fourth is 9. These are the four options. Here xyz is a 3-digit number. You can take any 3-digit number. Suppose I'm saying that let xyz is equal to 1, 2, 3. So it means zyx will be equal to 3, 2, 1. So now get the difference of 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what it will be? This is 11 minus 3, 8. This is 11 minus 2, 9, 98. Can you divide 198 by 99? If we are gonna, this is the value of d. Now, if you are gonna to divide 198 by 99, so it is completely divisible and the remainder is 0. So this is the remainder over here. Understand that? So we just discussed only 10 questions in this video, and this is the very first video related to the solutions of the CDS question papers. Okay, we have just started and this is the first video and I will remain continue. Okay, because I firmly believe in the consistency. Things are gonna to change, but you have to remain consistent with the things. Okay, I'm saying that. Now in the next video you will see the proper PPT over here, and you just remain the consistent. Believe in only two things. One is discipline, another is the system. What is the discipline? That you will do the things on daily basis. And what is system? Suppose someday you are quite busy and you are not able to give the desired time to your practice, then practice that particular thing for the shorter time, for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, but don't break that. Okay, if you are going to follow these two things, you are going to win, definitely. It's my promise. Okay, so meet you in the next session. I'm going to meet you in the next session and we will do the more interesting questions in the next session. Okay, thank you so much for this. Okay, thanks a lot, and please keep sharing the things. Slowly I will start uploading the 10th class content, maths content, 12th class maths content, and the complete CDS, NDA, everything will be available on this channel. Okay, so I'm just saying, just get involved in the content and just take your preparation on another path. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.